So guys, before jumping right into the box, let's first see the box itself. So this is the back of the box, this is the left side, and the right side. So now let's just open this thing up. So first up, on opening this box, we find a charging cable in a separate compartment, and this thing is orange in color, which looks pretty good. Then inside the box, there is the speaker itself with the user manual behind this thing and the speaker attached to this plastic piece. So let's remove it. There we go. So guys, this model right here is one of those 6 special limited edition pieces, and this print is known as Malta. Now talking about the structure, this thing has a clip on top of it, which you might know from the name itself, and of course it has Bluetooth and also an inbuilt aux cable, which is wound around this thing in pretty interesting manner. Also, the length of this wire is pretty large, so next time you won't need a separate aux cable. On the left side of the speaker is the volume up, volume down, and the mixed button for play, pause, and picking up phone calls. On the right side is the power button and the Bluetooth button. Also, there is the charging port in the center. So charging it once can give you a playtime of total 8 hours, which is pretty long. So let me just connect the speaker with my mobile phone. And it is connected. So let us play some music and see how loud is this bad boy. That was quite a sound. This thing is pretty loud, and also when compared to another JBL masterpiece that was JBL Go, this thing is a bit more louder than that. Yep, you read it right. This is waterproof. Let me just show you. I will play some music, and now so this thing is IP7 waterproof. That means it can survive up to a depth of 3 feet. So next time you're beside your pool and chilling out, you can have this by your side. So that wraps it up for today, and I'll see you in the next video.